Hey all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, we shall learn the different ways to write sound at the end of English words and how to teach this to our kiddos to make spellings easier for them. If you are new to my channel, let me tell you that this channel is for you if you are interested in teaching English spelling rules, English phonics, English grammar, and English creative writing to your new learners. So consider subscribing the channel, turn on your bell notifications, and let's just dive in. Okay, so if a word is ending in the sound, it may have the following spelling. Thus can be written at the end with the double S or with SE or with OUS if it's giving the US sound, and CE can also say the sound because of the soft C rule. Now one by one we'll see that when we should use which spelling, right? The first and the simplest is the double S ending. It happens at the end of words following the Floss rule. This means if there is sound after a single short vowel at the end of a single syllable word, we double the letter S. For example, here we have the word miss, kiss, toss, floss, less. In all these words, we have single short vowel sound, and after that we have s at the end, so we need to double it. If you want to learn floss rule in detail, you can check out this in the description box. The video link is given there. The second point, the SE ending. If there is a consonant or a vowel theme before the ending sound in a word, write it with SE. For example, house, mouse, pulse, purse, please. Now check out in all these words we either have a vowel theme like ow ow, or we have a consonant like and our control vowel, and then EA is the long vowel E spelling. So if you have a vowel theme and then you have sound at the end of the word, it's good to choose the SE ending for these words. You may find some exceptions somewhere, but most of the time the tips that I'm giving you work. Let's check out the next point. Okay, children often get confused when they need to write us at the end of English words, especially when they are adjectives. So if you hear the us sound at the end of an English adjective, write it with OUS. For example, dangerous, adventurous, famous, courageous, nervous, or humongous. So you can guide your little learners that if they are writing a describing word that is ending in us, and sound, please add an O as well. Okay? Now the next thing is the CE ending. Whenever letter C is followed by EI or Y, it gets soft and it says sound. So you will find so many words that are ending in CE with a sound. For example, face, mice, fears, notice, balance. Now, when to use CE and when SE at the end of English words to say the sound, you need to check out the description box because we have a set of tips that will help you to get the right spelling. Here, if I start explaining them, so the video will be too long. So it's better to first go with the first three tips, and then for soft C, you can help the kids with the next video. So finally, you can take it like this, that we don't use a single S at the end of base words. However, we can use it if we are making plurals in most of the cases. Okay, you may find some exceptions to what I have taught you, but if you follow these tips, you will make less spelling mistakes. So let's see some examples of this. Toys, boys, girls, tops, and shirts. In all these words, you have a single S at the end but this is an addition. It's a suffix. It is not the part of the base word. Got it? And that's all for today's video. I hope you have got something useful from it. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you soon with something new. Bye for now, and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.